today. So anyway, I wanted to talk about 7 cool DAOs that are happening, and some of them are riskier than others, even though they're all like high risk. Um, anyway, right now it's like a downtrend. So like pretty much, I mean, it kind of started in November 2021 after Bitcoin hit an all-time high, and then you know it's been kind of like a downtrend, bearish. So anyway, in the meantime, all this see this DeFi 2.0 is happening. So I'm gonna give you like 7. You might see them up here, but I'm gonna look at them. This one is called Galaxy Google Money. I don't know if that's the actual. There's the URL, and yeah, I might try to leave these links at the bottom of the video so you can get to them. But this one is on AVAX network, so you can use your MetaMask with all of these. These are crazy APYs. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what that is, but yeah. Um, you know, it's something you might want to try out. You never know what's going to happen. I wouldn't throw a lot of money in there, but what the heck? Might want to try it while, the market's doing nothing. Of course, this is not financial advice, and you could always lose your money. So, but you could also make some money. So you might want to try it out for the fun of it while you're just like waiting around if you have a little bit of money to throw in there. I mean, it's like insane APY things. So it's like, why not? If you're in crypto, you're probably brave enough to take some risks. So why not? So that one was Galaxy Google. And that one, super risky, I would say. But yeah, whatever. You can try it out if you want. Next one is Otter Finance. And I kind of just went around and looked at the networks that I use to try to find some because I thought they were kind of cool. These DAOs or whatever they are. They say like they're reserve currencies for the online or something. But anyway, here's the one that's like a meme coin, and this one's on the Polygon network, and it's called Otter Clam. And this one has like a nice, if you go to their social media, it's like pretty cool. And this one actually has an airdrop coming up, I believe. Let me see if we can see it. And that one actually said it was audited by somebody. I don't know who, someone. Maybe we can look at it over here. Yeah, someone. So you can look at that if you'd like. But I think it's here, the NFT thing. It's like they're actually a giveaway party on December 21st. So you're gonna get one of these. It's an airdrop. I think you have to. It tells you have to have 4 clam and stake for a minimum of 2 weeks on the drop date. So you probably kind of missed it. If you didn't have 4 in there by the 12th, then you probably won't be able to get it. But they're kind of cool. This is like a really cool meme one. So it's kind of fun. So if you like that, you might want to check out their social media and you might like it. So that's Otter Clam on the Polygon network. And that one was on the AVAX. And then here's Clima DAO. which I believe is also on the Polygon network. And this one is about like the climate and stuff like that, carbon backed digital currency. This one has a lower APY, but it's still really high. So that's another one that you might want to try out. And then I probably shouldn't have done that, but anyway, whatever. Then we have the Binance Smart Chain ones. You have the Metaverse Pro, which this is what it looks like. And you can see, like, it tells you the total locked value. So there is a lot of money in these things. And look at the, I don't know if that's actually the current APY. I think it's a little bit lower than that when you actually click in the app. Let me see. I really didn't want to do that. So I don't want to get into my MetaMask. I was just trying to show the things. But you see the APY? I don't know why it says that. You know, in the front page, maybe they just haven't updated it. But it's more like that, which is still a lot, right? So that one's on the Binance Smart Chain, the Metaverse Pro. They claim to be part of the Metaverse thing going on. So then here's Templar DAO, and it was actually up today. So this one is like on the Binance Smart Chain. People say it's like one of those esoteric ones. I don't know. Sure. I mean, kind of, I guess, if you know about that stuff. So over here, it's like you buy the TEM and look at see the APY is super high here. Yeah, they say like they have something similar to these ones, which is this is the original one, Olympus on Ethereum. So that's, I guess, number 8. If you don't know about that one, you should probably know about that. If you know about this, oh, I don't know, whatever. So anyway, I don't know if that's what's showing here. But anyway, those are little things you might want to try out just for fun. I wouldn't throw a lot of money in there, but it's up to you. Some people do throw a lot of money in there because they want to, and they can. So this one is another one, Nemesis DAO, and this one's on the Binance Smart Chain. This one is like actually scary for me, but you know, the imagery, this I guess is kind of like esoteric too, kind of. It's like they have a moon here and some crosses, and then it's dark. But anyway, you know, that's just their, you know, their theme, right? So here, but I mean, it looks cool, kind of, at the same time. See, look at this APY. Oh my goodness. So Binance Smart Chain. I mean, these all are alternatives to Ethereum because everybody knows about Ethereum. There's some people that have spent a bunch of Ethereums literally just on gas fees. You know, like there was a guy on YouTube that says he spent like 20 Ethereum this year, like in gas fees. But anyway, so, and you know, each one is like 3 or 4 thousand right now. It's like 3 something. So that's a lot. Maybe like $20,000 just on gas fees. So you probably won't spend that much on these other platforms. And then this is the last one, number 1, the new hot thing, which they did change their like screen here. This guy looks a little weird too. Some of them are kind of scary, but anyway, you of course you know you enter the app here. I don't know if I want to enter because it keeps showing my MetaMask or something like that. So this is another one. You enter, you buy the token, and you stake. And it does have other stuff like bond and stuff like that usually, and minting. So if you like that, you can try that out too. But those are like the ones that I've been looking at. And some of them, like, I tried out with just like $10 because I was like, is this real? And anyway, yeah. And then after, like, I figured out some of them are real, um I was like, okay, I'll try it out, why not? So if you're interested in those things, you might want to try them out. And that's all I wanted to say. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.